Hey food lovers, welcome to Beasteg's TV. Really glad to have you here. Do you want to start your day with a breakfast that's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious? Imagine a creamy, crunchy, and fruity explosion of flavors all in one bite. Today, we're going to show you how to make the ultimate Greek yogurt parfait with superfood toppings that'll have you saying goodbye to boring breakfasts forever. Stick around because we're diving into this fun recipe. Let's go. But before we get into the layers of goodness, let's uncover the secret history of Greek yogurt. Did you know that this ancient food has been fueling people for thousands of years? Picture this: the Mediterranean sun shining bright, farmers straining yogurt in cloth bags to create that thick, creamy texture we all love today. Greek yogurt is more than just a trendy snack. It's a time-honored tradition packed with extra protein and less sugar, thanks to its unique straining process. This isn't just any yogurt, it's a superfood that stood the test of time. Now, why should you care about Greek yogurt? Well, it's a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with protein to keep you full, probiotics to boost your digestion, and calcium for strong bones. And when we add our superfood toppings, we're talking about a breakfast that's not just healthy, but a total game changer. All right, let's get started. Here's what we'll need: Greek yogurt, granola, mixed berries, sliced kiwi, pomegranate seeds, honey or maple syrup, chia seeds, flax seeds, coconut flakes, and fresh mint leaves. Simple ingredients, but when combined, they create magic. Step 1, layer the yogurt. First, grab your favorite glass or bowl and start with a generous layer of creamy Greek yogurt at the bottom. This isn't just any yogurt. This is the star of our parfait, packed with protein and probiotics. Step 2, add granola. Next, sprinkle a layer of crunchy granola. Choose one with nuts and seeds for extra crunch and nutrients. Granola gives us that perfect contrast in texture. Step 3, layer the fruits. Now comes the fun part, adding our fruits. Berries for antioxidants, kiwi for a boost of vitamin C, and pomegranate seeds for that juicy burst. These fruits are not just colorful, they're superfoods in their own right. Step 4, repeat layers. Repeat these layers until you reach the top. More layers mean more flavor in every bite. Each layer adds a new texture and burst of flavor. Step 5, top it off. Drizzle a bit of honey or maple syrup on top for natural sweetness. This step is optional, but it ties everything together beautifully. Step 6, add superfoods. Finally, let's sprinkle some chia seeds, flax seeds, and coconut flakes. These superfoods are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and healthy fats. They not only boost the nutritional value, but also add an exciting texture. Now for the best part, the taste test. The creamy yogurt, the crunchy granola, the burst of fresh fruit, and the subtle sweetness from the honey. It's an explosion of flavors and textures in every bite. And there you have it, the ultimate Greek yogurt parfait. It's quick, easy, and ridiculously healthy. Perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Comment below with your favorite toppings, and don't forget to share this with your friends who need a breakfast upgrade. See you next time on Beasteg's TV Food, where we turn simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Thank you. Cheers.